Hi, my name is Deity and thank you for stopping by Cinemathis. Today I'm doing a test of the Deity PR-2, which I just recently purchased. I purchased it a while ago, but just getting around to doing audio test. I lived and died by the Tascam DR10L, which I sold for the Deity. It had a feature that I really liked, and it was the ability to monitor your audio wirelessly. So I haven't tried it yet. I am doing the audio test first, and if I like the audio, I'll keep it and do an in-depth review. So I'm going to read something from one of my favorite books, The Alchemist. Yes. So I'll do a test with the windscreen on and the one with the windscreen off. The boy's name was Santiago. Dusk had fallen as the boy arrived with his herd at an abandoned church. The roof had fallen in long ago, and an enormous sycamore had grown in the spot where the sacristy had once stood. The boy's name was Santiago. Dusk was falling as the boy arrived with his herd in an abandoned church. The roof had fallen in long ago, and an enormous sycamore had grown in the spot where the sacristy had once stood. The boy's name was Santiago. Dusk was falling as the boy arrived with his herd at an abandoned church. The roof had fallen in long ago, and an enormous sycamore had grown on the spot where the sacristy had once stood. The boy's name was Santiago. Dusk was falling as the boy arrived with his herd at an abandoned church. The roof had fallen in long ago, and an enormous sycamore had grown on the spot where the sacristy had once stood. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. So that is it. This is the auto test of the Deity PR-2. I'll listen to it and see what I think. If I like it, I'll do an in-depth review. All the audio that is not in the test was shot on my Octava MK012, which I really love this mic. So I'll make a note of that on the screen so you know which audio was not in the test. So I'd like to thank you for stopping by, and I hope that you are having a wonderful day.